birthday to me.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay! This is one of my favorite pies.
Okay.
Okay, here we are in the middle of our blizzard. I've got to go into the chicken coop and see how they're doing. I've got some food for them. I've got some popcorn, pita, and some old tortillas that I didn't want. So, here we go. You can hear them squawking. Probably bored and hungry. They've been in here all day long. Back door's a big one. Hi girls, how's it going? Oh, there's one laying an egg. Is that Petunia? You back there laying? Sorry to disturb you. Here's your food. Some snacks. There you go. Now you're hungry. Been warm? Popcorn. How's that popcorn? Poor girls. It's gonna get very cold tonight.